Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Shopee SLoan. SLoan is a feature where you can get a fast and convenient way to get cash loans. Eligible Shopee users can get access to competitive interest rates with flexible repayment terms of 3, 6, and 12 months, 12 months exclusively for selected users. Alright, open your Shopee app account and go to Me tab. Then scroll down and under My Wallet, you click on SLoan. Cash loans up to 100,000 pesos. Here's how SLoan works. First, account is activated in as fast as 1 minute, no documents and collateral required. Then disburse to Shopee Pay immediately and convert to cash easily. Lastly, repay in an installment up to 12 months with interest rates for as low as 1%. Where to use SLoan? 1. Household utilities like electricity, water, and internet bills. 2. Everyday essentials such as groceries, diapers, gas, and transportation expenses. 3. Health and medical needs such as hospital bills, emergency procedures, and medicine. 4. Educational needs like tuition fees and other educational costs. They also provide welcome gifts like 60% off interest vouchers. Below will be the user feedback and how SLoan has helped them pay for things using it. Before we sign up, let's see Shopee loan simulation for us to get an idea of how much interest we will be paying for every loan. Click here. Let's say I'll be requesting a 10,000 pesos loan. Then we select the tenure or how many months we want to pay it. Assuming the installment fee rate is 4.95% monthly, with 3 months, the monthly repayment will be 3,828.33 pesos. We multiply it by 3 since we will be paying it for 3 months, so you will have a total payment of 11,484.99 pesos. That's 1,484.99 in interest. With 6 months, assuming installment fee rate is still 4.95% monthly, you will be paying 2,161.61 pesos. We multiply it by 6 since we will be paying it for 6 months. The total payment will be 12,970.02 pesos. That's 2,970.02 in interest. And with 12 months, which is the longest repayment option, the monthly payment will be 1,328.33 pesos. Multiply it by 12 and you will pay a total of 15,939.96 pesos. That's 5,939.96 in interest. So basically, the longer the repayment you choose, the more you will accumulate interest. Activating your SLoan feature is free. Let me show it to you. Click on Activate Now. The first step for SLoan activation is ID verification. I have already submitted my UMID ID information on Shopee, so there's no need to re-input. Click Confirm. You will be asked for additional information like your job, education level, monthly income, etc. Make sure to double-check your personal information is correct before confirmation. Then they will do facial verification. Great, my application has been submitted, and it was very fast. It says it will be reviewed for 3 working days. Click OK.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, I was notified that my application had been approved. It was really fast. I've successfully activated SLoan with a 15,000 pesos credit limit. To borrow, just click Withdraw Loan. Let's say I want to make a loan of 15,000 pesos and want to pay it in 3 months. They have a 1% admin fee, so I will pay 150 pesos, which will be deducted already on the amount I'll be borrowing. To check repayment details, click here. My monthly principal amount will be 5,000 pesos. Monthly interest fee of 4.95%, which will be 742.53 pesos. There will be no monthly processing fee, but will have a monthly fee of 0.2% for loan protection, which is 30 pesos if you turn it on. Just click Withdraw Now to continue. My advice is to only use it if you really need it. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance and banking videos. See you in my next video.